This was never an issue which was seriously debated either in Parliament or in governments. And we had all got into the habit of living with a high cash economy. And we were all paying the costs of that high cash economy. A lower tax base, several areas of life where cash was the only accepted mode, 2 sets of account books, and this had become a normal practice in businesses. And 8th of November last year, I think it was a shock to many in the Indian economy, but it was something which was waiting to happen. And after that, we've seen the debate evolve itself. There's been, in some circles, a lack of understanding because some identified the whole idea of finding alternatives to the cash economy as to only how much money reaches the banks and how much gets finally confiscated. I've always had 3 important red lines as far as my own analysis is concerned. The first being how much in terms of sheer volumes of the cash that the Reserve Bank prints are we able to squeeze over a period of time. As we stand today already, the high denominational currency has squeezed in terms of both volumes, and it's a process which is, the squeeze process is something which is over a period of time going to happen in the natural course of the economy itself. The second important test is, as a consequence of this, how much are we able to expand the number of assessees in the base of taxation in India, both direct and indirect. And the third important test is, in terms of sheer volumes, what is going to be the increase in the number of the digital transactions itself. Now, obviously, in the month of November, December and January, early this year, a lot of people went in for digitization in terms of a mode of payment more out of compulsion rather than finding it a more convenient method to transact. But that compulsion itself created a habit for many. We reached a peak figure, then it marginally slipped and is now bound to pick up again. And the exercise that Google has undertaken today, I think in addition to the entire effort of the UPI platform itself, various government moves in this direction, I think is going to, over the pace of the next few months, going to make a major advance in that direction.